Hello friends, I am Sanjay Purohit from Sankesh Study Center. English first language standard 10 question paper 4 of Marvel. Question paper 4, it Marvel consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paper, in which first and sixth they are same. And not only that, but they are of blueprint paper that already we have seen from Gala paper set. Now, I would like to read the following passage and select the correct option for the question. Suddenly, I came out of the clouds and saw two long straight lines of lights in front of me. It was a runway, an airport. I was safe. I turned to look for my friend in the black aeroplane, but the sky was empty. There was nothing there. The black aeroplane was gone. I couldn't see it anywhere. If you see the entire paragraph, you can able to answer it very easily. Question 1. After coming out from the clouds, what did he see? So option C, two straight lines of light. Number 2, why did he say there was nothing there? What did he want to search? Question 2, why did he say there was nothing there? What did he want to search? Option D, a friend of black aeroplane. A friend of black aeroplane. Now read the following passage and answer the question given below. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty मतलब foggy, वो धुंध होता है ना, misty foggy landscape of Coorg region. A walk across the rope bridge leads to a 64-acre island of Nisargdham, running into Buddhist monk from India's largest Tibetan settlement at nearby Lakkupi is a bonus. The monk मतलब कि जो मठ में रहने वाले मुनि in red, ochre and yellow robes are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitor searching for the heart and soul of India, right here in Coorg. अब आप क्वेश्चन देखोगे, what surprise can you find in Coorg? What surprise can you find in Coorg? To answer, we can find the monk who are dressed in different colors in the we can find the monks who are dressed in different colors is the one surprise among many. Next question is, how can you reach to the island of Nisargdham? How can you reach to the island of Nisargdham? इसका आंसर है, we can reach to the island of Nisargdham by walking across the rope bridge. We can reach to the island of Nisargdham by walking across the rope bridge. Next question and last question of paragraph. From where can you see the panoramic view of Coorg? From where can you see the panoramic view of Coorg? The panoramic view of Coorg can be seen by climbing to the Brahmagiri hills. By climbing to the Brahmagiri hills. और अब आपका blanks. Fill in the blanks. Choosing the correct word in the bracket and write the answer only. Dash, she had enough money saved. The next problem was dash, to sleep dash the house without her mother's knowledge, but she managed this dash too much difficulty. Every day after lunch, her mother would dash from about 1 to 4 or so. अब आप लोग देखेंगे तो पहले में आफ्टर, 7th क्वेश्चन में हाउ, 8 में आउट ऑफ, 9th में विदाउट और 10th में नैप. तो dash she had enough money saved. After she had enough money saved, her next problem was how to sleep out of the house without her mother's knowledge. कैसे निकल जाने का. But she managed this without too much difficulty. Every day after lunch, her mother would take nap from about 1 to 4 or so. आपको सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर बता दिए. अब सॉरी, क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं, ब्लैंक्स बता दिए, ब्लैंक के आंसर बता दिए. अब एक पैराग्राफ है पोएम का जो भी हम लोगों ने रिसेंटली स्टार्ट किया है ये मार्वेल के पेपर में. नो वन इज रिस्पेक्टेबल और अनहैप्पी ओवर द होल अर्थ, so they show their relations to me and I accept them. They bring me tokens of myself, they evince मतलब के evidences, they plainly in their possession. What is the secret of animals joy? Question है, what is the secret of animals joy? The secret of the animals joy is that no one is dissatisfied with their condition. No one is dissatisfied with their condition, likewise human being. The next question, number 19. What do the animals bring to the poet? What do the animals bring to the poet? So the animals bring the virtues token to the poet. The animals bring the virtues मतलब के अच्छे सद्गुण, virtues मतलब tokens to the poet. और अब आपका फेवरेट फिगर ऑफ स्पीच, इसका मैं आपको वो एक्सप्लेनेशन भी दूंगा. Select the correct FOS figure of speech from the option given. I pattern soft dust with my hush bare feet. I pattern soft dust with my hush bare feet. ऑप्शन है ए सिनेक्डक, बी ओनोमेटोपोइया, सी सिमिली एंड डी पर्सोनिफिकेशन. तो इसमें आपका आंसर आएगा ए सिनेक्डक. बेयर फीट है, राइट. फीट here represent the entire body. Bare feet represent the entire body. That's why the answer is synecdoche. अगर यहाँ पे एक ट्रांसफर एफिडेट होता तो भी आंसर आता. और ओनोमाटोपोइया नहीं है, ओनोमाटोपोइया नहीं है बिकॉज कोई म्यूजिकल साउंड नहीं है. 21. And ink and blink chase lions down the stair. And ink and blink chase down the lions. Chase lions down the stair. ऑक्सीमोरन है, क्लाइमैक्स है, एपोस्ट्रोफी है और इंटरनल राइम है. तो मेरे हिसाब से ऑप्शन डी इंटरनल राइम है. तो इंटरनल राइम में क्या है? इंक एंड ब्लिंक, एक के बाद एक बैक टू बैक वर्जन है, इसके लिए उसको इंटरनल राइम ऑप्शन डी दिया गया है. अब रेक्टिफाई द एरर देखते हैं सेक्शन सी में. टुडे मंडे वांडा वाज नॉट इन हर सीट. SIT सीट के बदले SEAT सीट. 28 में SIT सीट के बदले SEAT सीट. बट nobody even the girls who startled all the, startled के बदले started आएगा. startled मतलब चौंक जाना. startled, wonder, amaze, bewildered, shock, stun. तो startled नहीं आएगा, started आएगा. Number 30. Fun notice are absent. Usually Wanda said. Absent नहीं आएगा, absence आएगा, absence 30 में. And 31 में, in the seat next to last seat in the last row in room 13. तो RAW raw के बदले ROW रो आएगा. रो मतलब के एक रो में चलते हो, और RAW रो एजेंट आता है ना वो. तो 28 में आपको जो चेंज करना है, SIT सीट के बदले SEAT सीट. 29 में स्टार्टल के बदले स्टार्टेड. 30 में एब्सेंट के बदले एब्सेंस. और 31 में रॉ के बदले रो, ROW. वापिस फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स विद प्रॉपर आर्टिकल, preposition, conjunction, etc. तो इट वॉज डैश मैग्निफिसेंट व्यू. इट वॉज अ मैग्निफिसेंट व्यू अगेंस्ट डैश बैकड्रॉप. अगेंस्ट डैश बैकड्रॉप, तो इसमें आपका आंसर आएगा द बैकड्रॉप ऑफ डेंसली हिली hills, a sea dash of tea bushes stretch as far as the eye could see. It was a magnificent view against the backdrop of densely hills, a sea of tea bushes stretch as far as. तो 32 में आपका आंसर आएगा आर्टिकल अ, 33 में आर्टिकल द, 34 में ऑफ एंड 35 में एज फार एज आएगा. आपका फेवरेट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, 36 इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन, इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. जिसमें यू डोंट वांट टू लूज 3 गुड मार्क्स, इसका आपको रिटर्न प्रैक्टिस करना है. चुबुको सेज एंड दैट ब्लाइंड हैंड हैज द कंफाउंडेड मतलब कंफ्यूज चिक टू मेक ए प्रपोजल. ब्लाइंड हैंड मतलब के वो किसके लिए यूज करता है ये वर्ड? लोमो के लिए. नातालिया, व्हाट प्रपोजल? चुबुको, व्हाई ही केम हियर टू प्रपोज टू यू. नातालिया, टू प्रपोज टू मी, व्हाई डिडंट यू टेल मी सो बिफोर. पूरी स्टोरी में आपको बताया ही हैड actually come down there for the proposal but she was not knowing and ultimately when she came to know by the time वो थोड़ा right उसका हार्ट बस्टिंग होने लगता है एक्सेट्रा. मैं क्वेश्चन वापस पढ़ता हूं. चुबुको एंड दैट ब्लाइंड हैंड हैज द कंफाउंडेड मतलब कंफ्यूज चिक टू मेक ए प्रपोजल. नातालिया, व्हाट प्रपोजल? Chubuko, why he came here to propose you? Natalia, to propose to me. Why didn't you tell me so before? आपने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? अब इसका आंसर. Chubuko informed या तो told Natalia that आना ही चाहिए. The blind hand had the confounded chick to make a proposal. Natalia asked shockingly what proposal he had made to make. He had to make. Chubuko clarified her that he had come there to propose her. Natalia further inquired of him if he had come to propose and that to her. She also questioned him or inquired him why he had not informed या तो told her so before. वापिस इसका अगर आंसर आप देखें तो Chubuko informed Natalia that blind hand had the confounded chick to make a proposal. Natalia inquired shockingly what proposal he had to make. Chubuko clarified her that he had come there to propose to her. Natalia further inquired of him if he had come to propose and that to her. She also questioned him why he had not told her so before. ऐसा इसका आंसर है. मैंने 2 बार बताया, आप लोग देख लेना. And now look at this. Do as directed. Those that have been born cannot avoid dying. Choose the correct interrogative. Sorry, ये कुछ दूसरा नंबर है. Question 37 question. Yesterday it was so wet that the workman did not do anything all day. 37 question ये है, you have to make use to. Yesterday it was so wet that the workman did not do anything all day. तो आपका ऑप्शन है 37 में C. Yesterday it was so के बदले आएगा too wet for the workman to do anything all day. For the workman to do did नहीं आएगा. For the workman to do anything all day, option C. Next question, I tell you it's not my fault. Question 10. I tell you it's not my fault. I tell you that it's not my fault. ऐसा है तो इसका आंसर आपका आएगा don't I ऑप्शन बी. इसमें आपका isn't it के wasn't it नहीं आएगा. Next one 39. Kisa Gautami became weary and hopeless. Exclamatory बनाना है. Kisa Gautami become weary and hopeless. Weary मतलब tired. 39 में ऑप्शन डी. How weary and hopeless Kisa Gautami became. How weary and hopeless Kisa Gautami became exclamation की साइन. ऑप्शन डी. इसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 है. Is it proper for such a young person to travel alone? Assertive बनाना है. Is it proper for such a young man to travel alone? तो it is not proper. तो ऑप्शन आपका आएगा 40 में ए. It is not proper फॉर सच ए यंग पर्सन टू ट्रैवल अलोन। जब भी इंट्रोगेटिव से असर्टिव बनाना है तो आपको नेगेशन डाल देना है, नेगेशन नहीं है राइट तो डालना है तो निकाल देना है। इज इट प्रॉपर, तो क्या आप लोग बोलेंगे इट इज नॉट प्रॉपर। तो आंसर ए, इट इज नॉट प्रॉपर फॉर सच ए यंग पर्सन टू ट्रैवल अलोन। 41, गिव अस 2 कप्स ऑफ टी, पैसिव वॉइस बनाना है, गिव अस 2 कप्स ऑफ टी। तो लेट 2 cups of tea be given to us, let 2 cups of tea be given to us, ऑप्शन डी। वापिस से देखो, give us 2 cups of tea, let 2 cups of tea be given to us। 42 देखो, let us solve it now, क्वेश्चन टैग, let us solve it now, तो shall we, ऑप्शन ए shall be आएगा राइट। आपको will you, shan't we, want you ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं आएगा, shall we। 43 में और एक क्वेश्चन बाकी है, द टिपिकल फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ दोज लव्स कैन स्टिल बी रिकॉल्ड बाय मी। द टिपिकल फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ दोज लव्स, वो ब्रेड के लिए बोलते हैं, कैन स्टिल बी रिकॉल्ड बाय मी, चूज द करेक्ट एक्टिव वॉइस। तो आपका लास्ट क्वेश्चन का ऑप्शन है सी, आई कैन स्टिल रिकॉल, I can still recall the typical fragrance of those loaves. Option C, I can still recall the typical fragrance of those loaves. तो यहाँ पे आपका ग्रामेटिकल पोर्शन खत्म हो गया है पेपर 4 का। 37 में C, 38 में B, डोंट आई, 39 में D, 40 में A, 41 में D, 42 में shall we, 40 मतलब ऑप्शन A, एंड 43 में C। If you like my video, you can share and subscribe my channel. From the last onwards, I have been subscribed by many students. Thank you very much, right, for doing this. Thanks a lot and goodbye.